my name is Shreyas from Tech Science World channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to create a Gmail account. A Gmail account is an account in which you receive emails from other accounts. So without late, let's start our video. So friends, let's start onto the video. First open Google Chrome or any other browser. Then type gmail.com. Scroll down until you see a link Gmail email from Google. You can click on create account on the bottom left corner or the top right corner of your screen. Next, type your first name, last name, username and password. Your username will depend on your first name and last name. If your first name and last name is not taken, does not exist before, the Google will automatically show you an username. I am showing you right now. See, this first name and last name is already taken before. So, you have to type the username on your own. But if your first name and last name is not taken before, like this, you can see that the Google is showing some usernames of its own. So you can choose any one of the option. But I want to type an easy username, so I am typing it on my own. So if your username is taken while typing it, the Google will alert you that the username is taken already. So I am choosing a username of its own. So I am typing a password. The password should be of 8 or more characters with a mix of letters, numbers and symbols. So I am typing an easy password. I insist you to type an easy password as you can remember it very quickly. So here it will ask your verification phone number and verification phone number to verify your phone number in case it is fake, and the recovery email address. The recovery email address is for if you forget your password. If you click on forgot password, the Google will send an message to the recovery email address and you can change your password. easily. Here it will ask your date of birth and your gender. And caution and alert for people who are below 15 years of age. If you are below 15 years of age in India, basically it should be 18, but in India it is 15. So if you are below 15 years, you can't log in on your own into your Gmail account, and it will ask a parent Gmail account to sign in. So I am giving an advice for those who are below 15 years of age. You can change your date of birth and your year of date of birth, and you can sign in on your own. Otherwise you will face a big problem for signing into your Gmail account. So I am typing a recovery email address. Next, I'm typing my date of birth here, right here, and my gender. The gender is an optional option. If you want to type it, you can type, or else you can leave it. Now this Google will send a verification code to your number. I'm clicking on send, and it will send a verification code. I am typing my verification code and selecting verify. These are the additional agreements. You can skip, or you can select yes, I am in. These are for Google Duo video calls and messages, including Google Chrome and other services, etc. So I am selecting yes, I am in. Next, these are the privacy and the terms of Google. You should click on I agree. After selecting I agree, it will load all of your data and store it in the data and personalization tab, which I am going to tell afterwards in the next videos. So friends, you have successfully created an Gmail account. This is a temporary profile image here, yes, as you can see. This is a temporary profile in which only you can see the profile, not the others. But if you want to change your profile, you can change it automatically. So now, thank you all for seeing this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Tech Science World, and please do click on the bell icon, as you can receive messages from my channel whenever I upload my next and new video. Thank you.